We've told you about Drag Queen Story Hour, the effort by the LGBTQ community to teach tolerance by reading in drag to children at public libraries. Well, we learned that at least one Story Hour presenter was a convicted sex offender.
One Story Hour presenter
was a convicted sex offender.
That was in Houston. Then earlier this year, we showed you how Drag Queen Story Hour evolved into roll around and lay on the drag queen and roll around and lay on the drag queen and roll around
and lay on the drag queen
in Seattle. Now this, Drag Queen Strip Hour at a King County library in the state of Washington, all to a song that says, if you feel like a girl, do your thing.